Big man, look up, woman. Police. Look up, woman, dad. Leave me, police. Leave me. Leave me, police. Big man, leave me. Leave me, police. Leave me now. Leave me. Leave me. You want to do that? Big man. Big man, what you want to do? Big man, look up, my son, Papa. Don't tell her this, I don't have a doctor for money. I'm going to call the people and money. Don't tell her I don't have a doctor on the bus. Don't tell her already, I don't have a doctor for my money. I'm going to call the people and money. Don't tell her already, I don't have a doctor on the bus. Alright. I'm going to tell him already, I don't have a doctor on the bus. Don't tell him already. Don't tell him already, I'm me driver and call it my bus. Me driver and call it my bus. Don't tell him I'm not a doctor, tell him already say I'm collect the bus, you know. I'm show him the money, say I'm collect the bus. That's my youth. If I ask him about that, the man say, yeah, me have a license. That the man tell him. And then the 3 months he want to go by business, so he want to fight off the man. Spot it. You know me? Spot it. The man don't tell him already say I'm not a doctor. The man tell him. Hey. Yeah, man. Officer, you can say that trouble. Don't tell him how to say I'm going to collect the bus. Don't tell him how to say I'm going to collect the bus. I'm sure him to see the money. I'm going to collect it. Officer, leave your man, you have to say that trouble. Officer. Don't tell him already say I have a doctor on the bus. Just take off the man and start with that. I'm going to tell him already say I'm collect the bus. I'm sure if the money says see it, I'm collect the bus. Don't tell him already. Don't tell him. Officer, don't follow that. Let's step away. Let's step away. No way. Stop the noise and beat up the man. Beat up the man. Where you can't make me move though. Talk to your man. Beat up the man. I hear the police work. Beat up the man. Take off the man off my bus and beat up the man. You never see the man and collect a beat. I hear beat up the man. And stop resisting the police, sir. Come on, man. Stop resisting the police. I don't say blood shot. Watch him man, I'm drop down on him now because that's sick man. Watch him man, I'm drop down on him. Man, tell him to blood shot. Come on, tell man, chest. Police are going to blood shot. Big man, me a blood shot. Officer, let go money up to save that trouble. Tell him man, tell him a blood shot. I just tell him man, blood shot. Blood shot. You need to calm yourself. Now, date it. Hear me I say, date it. Make him lock you up. Date it. Let him make him lock you up. Me a blood shot. Police. Me a blood shot. Let go date it. No, put on the cuff for them. Police, put on the cuff for them. Because we can't tell you this. We don't have nothing to charge man for. Date it. Lord, make them lock you up. Lord, I'm not here. I'm not to charge you for handcuff. Because first, if you don't tell me this, come on, I'm not to Lord, make him lock you up for that. Lord, make him lock you up. Lord, make him lock you up. Because I'm not to charge. Don't handcuff for him. I'm going to block you up. Last time I tell him, I'm going to lock him up. Go, make him lock you up. And the man here, pin over. And the man still there. Come on, belly now. You never have a cuff for the man now. You never have a cuff for the police. Come on, man, belly now. I'm on the police. I see man come back like I see man get come on the way. I see man come and man see man and still stand up in that man belly. I still stand up in that man belly. And the man go on the handcuff on the man. And you see man handcuff on the man.